The figures make for appalling reading. There are 1,600 level crossings in Britain, and according to British Rail, or whatever they're called these days, many people are injured on them every year. You might think it's fun to jump the red lights. You might think it'll save you a few minutes. You might think it's okay because your granddad's always doing it, or because you've got a Renault Espace, which has a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. But it's not all right, as I shall now prove with a gratuitous shot of a train smashing into the Espace at very high speed.
Hi, darling, I thought you could bring a hide hat to me.
That's quick. If you drove like that on the public road, you deserve to be called a maniac! That's toast! That's bad! I'd quite like to see that again, in slow motion. And even slower. So that is how far the train went from, what, 70, 80 miles an hour? The message, then, is clear.